what's going on, guys? We're out here headed to the pit bike race at the Baja Brawl. It's gonna be awesome. I'm not racing it, like I said in the last one, but it's all good. We have the homies out here. Rev it up, boys. I like your shirt.
Yeah, let's start.
I like her shirt.
One of these.
Look at this guy.
I'm trying to get on that level.
You see that? Right there?
We just got out here. It's pretty epic. The track looks insane. I really wish I raced now, but you know, it's all good. We're here to spectate.
What's up?
What's up? What's up, boys?
Hey!
What's up, Pat?
Here they come!
Oh! What's going on? What's up, man? Pat's getting rowdy. What up, boys? Oh, yeah!
Get in there! Get in there! Get in there! Get in there with him! Get in there!
There's baby back. Here we go. Look at everybody else. Right there. Double vlogger!
Hey. What up, Sourdough fans? How you doing? Woo! Have a good one, everybody. Keep smiling the dial.
We can't hold her wide. This is a Terex, man. What's up, boys? What up, Tyler?
What's up,
Cheers.
I just took a shot.
What up, homie? What's going on? Fucking cheers, bud.
McLovin.
Hey,
Oh,
Yo, did you see me?
dude, I didn't.
I got second.
I might have seen you.
I got second in
I
the
might have
heat.
you on footage.
Straight killing it. Yo, and then the man, I cartwheeled over the first turn, and I thought I re-broke my foot.
Kid is out here racing with a broken foot. Not giving up. Cheers, brother. That's some good shit.
Saldo. That's my guy Hunter right here. Yo, throw her back, Hunter. I mean, you can get workman's comp.
Jordan, what the hell is wrong with you?
I don't want to be in this.
Your head is in
Camera. How?
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's morning here, and we just got done with the 125 moto. We had to get up and just get the booth set up, get to it. We didn't have enough time to film it, but 250A is coming up right now. We have the GoPro. I'm gonna throw it on the helmet that is all dirty. It rained last night. Track is pretty sloppy, so let's get out there and get it. All right, so we're out here. We get the gallon of water, hydrate not for the race. We were late as hell. He says, whoops. We have free monsters for the kids all weekend, sorry. Free monsters given out to the kids, get them hyped up, and giving them the energy they need to get out here and put in the laps. But we have the trusty mechanic out here, the homie, and yeah, what race are you guys? Because I'm up next after these guys. You're racing.
I'm 23rd. I'm last
moto, so the track's gonna be really rough for him. And you're what?
Yeah, I'm up next.
Oh yeah, you're with me, right? Yeah. I'm confused. I forgot you were with me. Good luck, bro. Hell yeah. So we're gonna have a good time out here and just rip it up for the rest of the day. The track's a little bit deep,
Baja
but
Brawl.
it's all good. We are at the Baja Brawl belly flop tonight. It's gonna get rowdy. So I got 3 kids back in my game. Plus my mechanic. This is crazy. Nah, I'm good. think so. I'm good.
You ready to rip?
I just can't breathe good. Thank you.
You look gnarly.
Alright, so we just got in from that moto, guys. Wasn't really good out there at all. You could see by the GoPro, obviously. Had a bad crash out there on the first lap. Just pushed a little too hard and really just couldn't muscle it through those braking bumps. Knifed the front end really hard and just went right over the bars. Got hit by the bike, like right in the ribs and all that. I don't know if you can even see it, but inflamed on the back a little bit. Just knocked the wind out of myself, hit my head, shoulder a bit, but it's all good. Just try to have some fun tonight. Racing is over for the day. Didn't get clips from the 125 moto. That sucked. I ripped a pretty good start in that, but yeah, I also ripped a good start in the 250A moto, so that was cool, but just sucked that went down on the first lap. It's all good. Just tried to put my head down and charge the best I could, and the track was really fun out there, so that's kind of all that matters. Had a good time throwing some whips over the jumps, and the berms are really nice. So on to the rest of the day here. What's up, guys? We're about to go out to the pit bike race, or not pit bike race, sorry, the Terex race. Side by side, hitting it up right now. Yeah. You see any carnage out there? I heard someone roll. Someone rolled. 2 people rolled. So 2 of them rolled. Yeah. Whoa.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened.
Get it, Regal?
No.
Should I get it?
It's supposed to die. We got it.
Thanks, man. What's going on out here?
Not much. We out here, Baja Brawl,
White Claw, no law.
2019.
Do you have any more in the backpack? Let's see it.
No. I throw this up to him.
Still going. What is that?
It's for you.
They're falling like flies. What do you got? What do you got for?
Measure it up, dude. measure it up. Cheers, bro. You both got it.
Cheers, homie. Hell yeah.
All right, let's head up there, have some fun.
Up, yo, be sure to hit that like button below.
Smash that like button if you like the videos.
Subscribe.
If you don't like the videos, I mean, thumbs down if you want, but if you don't like them, you probably just shouldn't watch them, honestly, right?
Yeah.
Swipe up, tap in, that's what it is.
SFC, we out here.
SFC, we're out here.
That's a wrap.
Get it! Yeah! Get it! Right! Yo, good shit, dude. Yo, you won? Hey, you won? We're out here. Hell yeah. He's got the tees. Yo, what's in that bag? Full of beer. What's in that bag? How we roll, nice backpack. You Santa Claus? Yo, look at this pit bike. It just got kicked over.
I know I exaggerated things, now I got it like that. Tuck my napkin in my
Yo, we got the boy in the vlog right here. Hey!
Hey, white claws, no laws. No laws. No laws when you're drinking white claws.
We're throwing out some shirts right now, baby. Let's do it. Hey! We got some big right here. This girl for you.
Ain't no love when you're drinking claws.
415s didn't see no wires. Yo, there's a lady that can rap this next verse. I know you this moment. Applications.
The man. We got the man here.
Yo, happy Labor Day weekend, bro.
Yes, sir.
Baja Brawl 2019.
Oh, yes, sir.
Dude, next year's 20 years.
Exactly. Thank you for having us here, man. Great event.
Cheers, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Celebrate.
Okay, so it's morning out here. Definitely fun night. Really fun night to say the least. We were on stage, dancing up there, doing whatever, but the ribs tightened up a lot more. The shoulder tightened up a lot more too, and yeah, definitely cannot race today, which sucks. Once the Advil wore off everything, I realized I do have a slight AC separation up here too, because my shoulders are very jacked up in general, and it's not too hard to pull them out like that. So if I could try to race, if I could get out there, I mean, I'll ice everything up, maybe try to get a whole shot for you guys on the camera, and you know, maybe pull off if it's too bad, but I'm thinking racing's out for the day. We're just hanging out at the booth right now, just gonna have a good time and you know, film the boys, watch them out there, cheer them on, and you know, wrap up the last day here at the Baja Brawl. Tell the viewers, what's going on? PitViper.com, PitVipers, Pit Vipers are looking good. We got Pit Viper over here. Yeah. Guys are going over to the pond?
Pond party.
Let's do it.
Let's
pond
get
party.
some, brother.
Please, let us know. Go to BajaInterest.com. Go to Hotel.com.
All right, so we just got a lot of rain out here. The track is slopped. Within an hour, hour and a half, it poured, came down like crazy. Homie's coming up for the moto right now. You ready, bud?
What's up, bud?
He's already off the track, third place, dude. Good job. Good job. Yo, I got roosted on your start so bad.
Did you?
It was so sick. I was right behind you and tried to dive into the doghouse, and it really didn't work that good, but it was sick.
Like, I got a wheel spin, but a lot of you so did everybody else.
Yeah.
I got that first turn. Everybody's shutting down. I just held on. And dude, at the same time, I'm tapping my front brake. I had no front brake. It went out on the end of the front turn.
You were screaming and see me wave my shirt. Yo, you got all sketchy over it in the landing. I was like, oh my god,
dude.
dude.
Slippery,
she
bro.
got it on footage. Yeah, we got out with the shirt, dude. What's going on, bro? Good shit. Good ride today, brother. Third. Red beard is not feeling that great. It's like every event, bud. But you killed it this week. You drank a lot of Colorado Kool-Aids. I'm proud of you. You got a new tattoo. I don't know why it's ripping off. They're not supposed to. Yeah, it was a great one. That's a wrap on the Baja Brawl 2019. Hope to see everybody next year. We met a lot of cool people this year. It was awesome. Great event. If you guys weren't here, you need to be here next year.
Missed out.
You missed out, but
2020. Baja Brawl.
hope everybody enjoyed the video. Smash that like button below. Subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.